we had received this information around 12:45, 1 o'clock in the afternoon today, that the gondola has met with some malfunction and the gearbox of it had gone off-road. So that resulted in a little crisis situation here with 65 cable cars from the base to the phase 1 got stuck midway. Now there was a need to either repair it or get it rescue to be carried out. So request was received from the Cable Car Corporation as well as the administration Baramulla rescue of people. And this is basically 65 cable cars full of people who were stranded onto the cable, and it needed a rescue. So what we have done so far as of now by 1800 hours, we have been able to rescue along with the other agencies approximately 29 to 30 cable cars out of the 65. Around 10 cable cars do not have any occupants, so around 25 cable cars are yet to be done. This is actually, the weather is quite inclement here. We have rains and hailstorms in between. You can see the rescue effort going on in the rear where SDRF team is working. Likewise, the teams of army, the teams of police, the district administration are here. And they are organizing the effort reportedly. Now we are looking for another 5 to 6 hours of rescue to happen to finish the operation. In this, we will require support to be given in terms of lighting the areas of rescue. So some arrangements are being made for that. The rescued people were basically spoken on to megaphone whosoever was inside the cable cars and assured that they will be rescued. There was a bit of panic, but which was managed by speaking to them regularly or through the megaphones with the cable cars. We have arranged at a couple of places Adam bases for them. Once they are rescued, we are giving a cup of tea or some refreshment and guiding them down back to Mumbai. So this process is continuing. We are looking for another 4 to 5 hours for this to continue. And, as of now, situation is totally under control, and more teams are arriving, and we should be able to carry out the rescue. Teams of Indian Army, the HAWS, we have here teams from SDRF, Police, the Cable Car Corporation, BSF, all have put together efforts to put together this rescue, and we should be able to finish it by midnight. Thank you.